Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Trent. I'm a real-world professional pilot in CFI with about 1,200 hours of dual given, and today we're going to work on getting a jet rating in the Cirrus Vision Jet G2. Ready to go? Let's dive into it. Now, one thing that we might need to do, we'll find out when we get there, is my Bravo throttle quadrant. Right now I'm on profile for a single engine because I just earned my tail dragger rating just about 2 minutes ago. So we'll get in the plane here and see. The Vision Jet only has one engine, so I shouldn't have to switch it to another profile. I haven't even created a profile for a single engine jet before, so we will find out if that is required. Alright, look at that beautiful jet. And that goofy looking pilot. Alright, so we're going to just skip on over to taxi. Actually, no, we're going to start this thing up the old-fashioned way, if I can figure out how to remove the chocks, because I want to test the throttle before we start going anywhere. So let's walk a little closer. See if we can do, what do we need to do here? Remove chocks. Okay, well, get closer. Closer. There goes the chocks. Remove engine cover. There goes the engine cover. Oh, and there's probably a pitot tube. Ah, there it is. There's a pitot tube. All right, let's get in. So first of all, yeah, there we go. That works. Okay, let's do an automatic engine start. Oh boy, this is just going crazy. We're just going to skip right to the taxi now that I know the throttle's working.
Welcome to Toronto Island Airport. I'll be making sure that you fly safe throughout your exam. You will be passing this certification in the Cirrus Vision Jet G2. We've got some light crosswind blowing from the north. Pay special attention to its impact on aircraft handling for both takeoff and landing.
Alright, let's skip to the takeoff. So again, with all that little sounds of I'm not entirely sure that we don't have some controller conflicts going here, but we'll give it a shot and see. Well, guess we better get a takeoff clearance.
City Tower, November 6-4, 196 ready at runway 26, departing straight out.
And to be clear,
196 altimeter 29.9 straight out departure approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 26.
I have never flown this jet before.
196.
So here we go. Takeoff emergency fuel quantity miscompare is one of the emergencies. Well, we'll see if we can get through this by still ignoring those warnings. Cool looking plane. Runway 26, that's this one right here. Alright, let's do it. Takeoff emergency something or other, another alert there. I don't even know what the rotation speed is for this thing, but I'm going to guess it's faster than a 172. Oh, I don't know, somewhere around here maybe. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. And let's get the wheels up. And we'll get up to 1,700 feet. Time to turn crosswind, huh? Okay. So far, so good. A 1,000 feet and climbing. I still don't know what controller conflict is causing all that little clickety-click. Alright, so there's 1,700 feet. Let's not smoke through that. Let's acknowledge the handoff.
November 6, 4196 frequency change.
Oh, got to get that nose down a little bit there. Okay, time to turn downwind. We're a little too high. The trim does not appear to be working, so we'll just push forward on the yoke. Definitely I'm having some controller issues here. I've got the yoke pushed way forward because the trim wheel is just not working at all. That's why I'm still climbing. Alright, we're in the downwind leg, gear down. Let's announce a full stop.
Tower November 6419er 62 miles, southeast 1,900 feet to land. November 6419er 6 tower, altimeter 29er decimal 9er 2, make left base, runway 26. Fly left base, runway 26,
First notch flaps.
196 wind, 019er at 1 tree. Clear to land, runway 26.
Okay, acknowledge that clearance.
26196.
There's the end of base leg. That's some more flaps. I have no idea what the approach speed is for this thing. Okay, there we go. Let's turn final. But probably not too far below 100 knots. Yeah, there's the runway. All right. Got enough energy to get to the runway, so power to idle. There's the round out. Not the best landing ever, but there we go. And on the brakes. I guess that was pretty soft.
196 exit runway when able.
Copy that. They want us to hold short here, huh? Okay, that's weird. But whatever. There we go. And let's skip right on to the shutdown.
196 contact ground on 121.7. 121.7, 196.
What a sweet looking plane. Seen quite a few of these in real life. I don't know why we haven't got the congratulations, your mission is complete yet.
It's not every day that you see
there we
pilots
go.
flying as well as you did. Congratulations.
Oh, well, gee, thanks. Plane handling, yeah, a little squirrely. And there we go. Now we got a jet rating. Cool, let's see what happens next. Congratulations. Jet-powered aircraft are more efficient and faster, and plus they sound a whole lot cooler. New aircraft flyable for missions. Look at that. Alright guys, well that's cool. We'll come back more in another video soon and fly that, but if you thought this video was cool and you'd like to see other Microsoft Flight Simulator videos, this is a channel to check out. Please consider liking and subscribing and smashing that like button. Take care everybody, bye bye.